So, hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a monthly energy check in for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of March 2026. It's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Okay, for personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So, let's start. What we have, like overall energy for Sagittarius people for this month, let's see. We have the Four of Cups, the Strength card, and the King of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. You guys are trying your best to transform your disappointments into lessons, life lessons. Okay, it is taking you a lot of strength and courage to accept few things in your life that you have done in the past and that you really messed up, and now you are learning how to not to repeat the same kind of mistakes and how to not to create more disappointments or more not so good kind of vibes and energies in your life anymore. Bottom of the deck is a Ten of Pentacles. Now you guys are busy in creating some kind of stable base for the future direction of your life, including you and people who are like family to you and your literal family. So the overall energy here is of learning from your mistakes and transforming your mistakes into your life lessons. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. Ace of Swords. Okay, you got some kind of clarity in a particular situation. There was like 1,000% mental clarity in a situation, and after getting that clarity, you felt very relieved, even if it was stressful at the first. But you're like, okay, I got it now. Cool. Let's see in the current energies what we have. Five of Pentacles in reverse. You are definitely coming out of some kind of dark phase or phases of your life. You're coming out of certain kind of loss or losses, and you guys are counting your blessings now, or at least trying to. Let's see by the end of this month what we have for you guys. Page of Cups. It's like your emotions, you connecting with your heart again. Okay, awesome, good energies. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. Sagis. We have the Two of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and the Empress. So you guys were not very sure about a situation that was going on and off, in and out. There was imbalance, and there is a lack of equal give and take of energy. And something happened. Something happened. Either you did something, or the situation flipped. You guys were able to see the situation in a very crystal clear manner. You guys were able to understand whether a particular situation is going to move forward and give you the kind of growth and expansion and happiness that you are looking forward to have, or you should leave that situation behind. Now I do see that you got some kind of victory in a situation where you were feeling stuck at first, and then you got the clarity, you got the answers, and bingo, you got like the energy of, okay, let's keep it moving, right? Let's have that kind of happiness that I deserve or want in a particular situation in the past. Now let's clarify the Five of Pentacles in reverse for you guys in the current situation, Sagis. We have the Ten of Wands, King of Pentacles, Knight of Swords. So there is some kind of heavy and burdensome energies that you guys are dropping. Finally, you guys are able to, set yourself free from a lot of heavy and burdensome energies, people, situations, or things. Now you guys are like being in this mature and grounded kind of energies. And now you guys are feeling like, let's give my life a meaning. Let's give my life a purpose. Let's move forward. Let's run towards happiness. Let's run towards growth and expansion. So you guys are dropping something. You guys are coming out of the victim mode. Basically, the moral of the story is that you guys are coming out of the victim mode, especially if you guys were stuck on something or someone from quite a long time now. And now you guys are in this energy of, let's do quickly. Let's do everything quickly. Let's fix everything quickly. Let's flip the page, because now I got the power. and now I got the understanding of being in the victim mode is never going to give me what I deserve or what I want. Cool. By the end of this month we have the Page of Cups. Let's clarify this. So we have the Hermit, the Eight of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles. Yes, it's like nervous system regulation kind of a thing happening for you guys, Sagittarius, whether you are doing it consciously or not. You know, your nervous system is going to learn your new belief, your new energies of opening up your heart and believing the process again, trusting the universe, trusting the process again, believing in the universe again, believing in yourself, believing in people. And you know, step by step you're moving towards those people, situations, collaborations, partnerships that are actually going to give you something really beautiful, something really meaningful to go ahead with. So as you're flipping the page and coming out of the victim mode, the universe is actually helping you to start your life, to start living your life to the fullest. Till this point, maybe you guys had regrets about how you handled certain situations in your life, but this point onwards you guys are making sure that whatever you have gone through was necessary for your own growth and expansion, for your own uh, yeah, growth and expansion as a person, as a soul. And now you are heading towards a new chapter of your life with experience, with wisdom, right? So whatever happened in your life till this point was actually very, it was actually very helpful. It was actually something that was supposed to happen the way it happened. Now you might be realizing it very clearly, like, okay, that's why, oh, like you are having aha moments of, oh, that's why that thing happened, that's why universe gave me this lesson, that's why that thing happened. So you guys are going to move forward with experience this time, okay, with surrender, with this energy of, okay, now with experience I am not going to repeat the same kind of cycles again, repeat the same kind of mistakes again, and I'm definitely not going to go back to the victim mode ever in this lifetime. So you're like, you're opening up your heart, not completely, it's not like wide open, but you are trusting the divine again, believing in yourself again, and you're heading towards uh, this energy of connecting with other people, trusting people again, believing in yourself again. It's like lesson learned and chapter closed. Okay, power mode on. That's the real deal for you guys. Power mode on. Awesome energy. Let's see the guidance for you guys here for this month, honey. Sagittarius. We have the Judgment, Ten of Swords, Three of Cups. Yes. See, you have to completely erase everything or everyone from your new story, from your new book that you're writing, who is not aligning with your path or your values anymore. No matter who they are, no matter what they are, you guys have to completely erase, or you can say you guys have to burn those bridges where you know you are never going to get anything good in return. The time has come for you to finally release everything or everyone that is not going to give you the kind of life, the kind of happiness, the kind of commitment that you require as a person, as a soul. That is this is how growth feels like: uncomfortable, unpredictable, but at the same time you are going to feel like you have the power and you have the wisdom and the knowledge to keep moving forward. So okay, whatever happened for a very valid reason. Nothing happens without any reason, right? And you are going to learn the reason very soon. Let's see the final message for you guys. Nurture yourself and those you love, the ability to make anything more beautiful, practical, and wise advice. Nurture yourself and those you love. You are already doing that. I don't have to, it's a gentle reminder, I think. Ability to make anything more beautiful now, because your heart chakra, your heart energies are opening up. You might be able to see beauty in everything and everyone. And be practical. If somebody is giving you practical and wise advice, don't ignore it, no? Yeah, try to go ahead with that. Yep. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.